I want cereal.
We gotta find us something to eat. This one called, we gotta find us something to eat. So, I want me some Popeyes.
I don't care what
This
I
nigga
eat.
wants some cereal.
Some bullshit, bro. Cereal.
I don't know why he wants some cereal.
I don't want nothing to cook right now.
What we gonna eat? What we gonna eat? I don't know what we gonna eat. What we going to eat? Lonnie, what we gonna eat?
I don't know. I want some cereal.
He wants some cereal. I want me some real food. You know, not no cereal. I want me some Popeyes, fries, or something. And he wants some cereal.
I can't think of nothing that I want. I don't want no Chinese food. I don't want no burgers. I don't want no, I don't know. I can't think of nothing. Only thing, I don't want nothing cooked. So the only thing I can think of is cereal.
Okay, y'all. This called What I'm Gonna Eat.